The Kucacci Smart Door Lock KDL-100 offers a variety of keyless entry methods including fingerprint, keypad passcode, key fob card, physical keys, and smartphone app control. Installation of the Kucacci Smart Door Lock is straightforward and does not require additional drilling or the services of a costly locksmith, as it can be easily installed with just a screwdriver. Built to withstand extreme weather conditions, this smart lock features a durable zinc aluminum structure, an anti-peeping keypad code protection, and an IP66 weatherproof rating, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. For rental hosts and homeowners, the TTlock app or TTlock web manager allows for efficient management of multiple Kucacci smart door locks, including features like admin authorization, code generation, ekey sharing, and viewing records. Kucacci provides a 1-year product warranty, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and lifetime customer support, ensuring customer satisfaction is a top priority. This smart lock is an ideal solution for enhancing home security with its robust design and multiple access options, offering both convenience and peace of mind.